Ford CEO Jim Hackett has just announced some shocking news that could spell trouble for the popular Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. With the rising cost of production, the company has been forced to make some tough decisions, and the future of the hybrid vehicle is still being determined. But will Toyota find a way to make the RAV4 Hybrid cost-effective, or will it be a thing of the past? We know the suspense is killing you, and here again, Tech Addicts is the only place for you. So let's look into that right away. There's a piece of market news that's been going around like wildfire, and that is why the 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid has a little edge over the 2022 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, and the implications of which can be unsettling for Toyota and its customers. It's quite possible that you'll regret it if you choose the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid over the Ford Escape Hybrid. The design of the new 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid has been updated, and it also comes with some technological advancements as well as some hidden benefits. The most important benefit, however, is the money that can be saved at the gas station. But apart from it, there are a lot of perks given by Ford in its new masterpiece, Escape Hybrid, that is sure to pique your interest. EPA. The EPA estimates that the 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid will achieve up to 44 miles per gallon in the city and up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway. That is fantastic fuel efficiency. However, it is possible that installing all-wheel drive will bring these values down by 1 or 2 miles per gallon. While the EPA estimates that the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid will achieve up to 41 miles per gallon in the city and up to 38 on the highway, therefore the Escape Hybrid achieves better fuel economy than the other. The Escape Hybrid is still the more fuel-efficient choice, despite the fact that its lead is not particularly large. Engine. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the Ford Escape Hybrid have hybrid engines that are extremely fuel-efficient. However, the Ford Escape offers a few features that set it apart from the Toyota RAV4. Let's take a closer look at the difference between these two vehicles' engines so we can determine which one is the better option for you. The hybrid version of the Ford Escape is propelled by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an electric motor working together. The powertrain generates a total of 198 horsepower and has the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 8.2 seconds. In addition, the Escape Hybrid has regenerative braking, which is another feature that helps enhance fuel efficiency. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is propelled by a four-cylinder engine that's 2.5 liters in displacement and is combined with 3 electric motors. This powertrain generates a total of 219 horsepower and has the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.5 seconds. Even though both the RAV4 Hybrid and the Escape Hybrid have regenerative braking, the Escape Hybrid's technology is more sophisticated. So we can say that the engine of the 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid has a few benefits over the engine of the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid when it comes to comparisons involving the hybrid vehicle's powertrains. Interior and ride. Neither the Escape nor the RAV4 is especially fun to drive quickly. Still, the Escape is the better choice between the two. It's possible that the 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid offers a more relaxing ride than the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Escape's ride is smooth and evens out bumpy roads. The Escape Hybrid offers a refined drive, a quiet cabin, and comfortable front seats. The back row of chairs is very roomy and pleasant. The Escape handles corners well. The Sport mode gives the steering wheel more weight to make the car feel more sporty. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is an okay highway cruiser, but it has a somewhat rougher ride and more noticeable engine noise. Although the seats themselves are roomy, the bottom cushions are somewhat flat. Additionally, there are no levers or buttons to adjust the passenger seat. The RAV4 turns well, but it doesn't feel as balanced as the Escape. The steering's vague and doesn't give back much information, and the SUV lets in a lot of wind and road noise. The RAV4 is comfortable to drive on a regular basis. The TRD off-road trim has a lot of good features for light off-roading. All-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is an option that can be added to either model. Towing capacities range from 1,750 to 2,000 pounds for the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and the Escape Hybrid, respectively. The majority of plug-in hybrid crossovers, including the RAV4 Prime, have all-wheel drive, which improves traction in wet and slippery situations, but raises the cost and decreases the efficiency of the vehicle. The RAV4 has an electrical system, hence there's no drive shaft that connects the front and rear axles. Instead, a computer directs the amount of power that is transmitted to each of the vehicle's wheels. In comparison to the RAV4 Prime, the Escape PHEV can be purchased with front-wheel drive, which improves its fuel economy and reduces the price of the vehicle. Passenger and cargo space. Which of these two crossover SUVs has more passenger and cargo space? The RAV4 has a total passenger volume of 98.9 cubic feet, whereas the Escape has a total passenger volume of 103 cubic feet. The Escape offers more space for passengers. On the other hand, the RAV4 has a maximum cargo capacity of 69.8 cubic feet, while the Escape only has a capacity of 65.4 cubic feet. Gas mileage. The RAV4, with the standard gasoline engine, achieves an estimated gas mileage of up to 30 miles per gallon combined, while the RAV4 Hybrid achieves an estimated gas mileage of up to 40 miles per gallon combined. When operating in electric-only mode, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid achieves a combined fuel economy of 94 mpge, while operating in hybrid mode achieves a combined fuel efficiency of 38 miles per gallon. In comparison, the gas-only version of the Escape achieves an estimated maximum combined mileage of 30 miles per gallon, while the hybrid version of the Escape achieves an estimated maximum mileage of 41 miles per gallon. In addition, the Escape PHEV achieves a combined fuel efficiency of 105 miles per gallon while operating in electric mode, and it achieves a combined fuel efficiency of 40 mpg when operating in hybrid. The Escape PHEV has the best possible fuel economy ratings among all of these models. Safety. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration awarded the Escape with 5 stars across the board, including 5 stars for its performance in the front and side crash test, as well as 4 stars for its performance in the rollover test. During testing conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the Ford Escape performed exceptionally well, entering a top safety pick distinction. The Escape received top ratings in all areas, with the exception of the headlight test, in which it received a marginal grade. The RAV4 similarly received a 5-star rating from the NHTSA for its overall performance, but in the individual tests, it scored somewhat less well than the Escape. It received 5 stars in the side crash test, but only 4 in the front and rollover tests. The RAV4 was awarded the top safety pick by the IIHS. Nevertheless, in the side impact test, the Toyota received an acceptable rating, which is the second highest possible score. This is the only test in which the RAV4 scored worse than the Escape. Cost. Which one of these two crossover SUVs has a higher starting price, the 2023 RAV4 or 2023 Escape? The base price of the 2023 RAV4 begins at $27,575 for the LE trim and goes all the way up to $45,460 for the RAV4 Prime XSE. Comparatively, the beginning price of a 2023 Ford Escape can range anywhere from $27,500 MSRP for the base trim all the way up to $38,500 for the PHEV. When it comes to the comparison of the 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid and the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the Escape Hybrid has a few advantages. It has a more powerful engine, better fuel economy, and more advanced features. So, if you're looking for a hybrid vehicle that has plenty of power and features, the Ford Escape Hybrid is the way to go. Well, all we have to say is, it's worth the drive. We'll be back soon. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.